Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today we are going to be making chicken tacos with an avocado sauce. So we're going to make the sauce first. So go ahead and get an avocado. You're going to want to kind of score it how I'm doing it. You can do however way you want. I just thought this way was the easiest. And go ahead and put it into a container that can be used in a blender. And then you're going to want to add sour cream. And I basically eye it all, and some lime juice. Like I said, I eye it all. I don't measure really anything. But yeah, go ahead and blend that until you get a creamy texture, and then go ahead and put that in the fridge. You're going to want to dice up a jalapeno as well and put that into a little dish for later. Same with the tomato and shredded chicken. And then I put Cajun seasoning and ground cumin, and then you're just going to mix that together so the seasonings are blended. And then I did onion powder and ground cumin on the jalapeno peppers as well. And then we're going to go out to the Blackstone once it's preheated with some olive oil. Put the jalapenos on just to basically give them a nice sear for a little bit. And then on your corn tortillas, make sure you put whatever type of cheese you want. Throw your chicken down, and then it's just going to slowly cook that way. Make sure you use oil, vegetable oil, avocado, anything you want to crisp up those tortillas. And then go ahead and throw some jalapenos onto it as it's cooking. Throw some tomatoes onto it as well. I've done corn before, but I didn't make corn obviously this time. And then go ahead and throw cheese on top of that and let it kind of melt all in for about a minute. And then after that, you're going to want to start folding over these tacos. And then it's kind of hard to do it on the Blackstone. I burn my fingers a lot. I should probably come up with a better method, but I haven't yet. But yeah, go ahead and flip them on each side and let them cook for about 45, 50 more seconds till the cheese is melted through, and go ahead and take those off. And then this is what they look like at the end. So good. I recommend you try it, and thank you for watching.